एजुकेशनल लिटरेसी गए समय की बात है, एजुकेशनल प्लस फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी नए समय की बात है, तो बोलो बोलो. So if you are in early stage of your career, if you are earning 10,000 to 15,000 a month, your job is to be in field from morning 7 to 6 p.m. in evening. You want to save money but you are not able to because you are spending most of your salary in eating outside because you are not able to wake up early in morning, so you are eating outside and doing most of your expenses from your salary. Saving is almost zero. So this video is for you. Check it out how you can save money even after earning 10,000 and 15,000 rupees a month. First of all, start writing down your expenses on pen and paper for 6 days. Do it for 6 days, and this expense calculation must include even a single rupees transaction that you have done in those 6 days. On 7th day, just calculate your weekly expense, multiply it by 4. You'll get to know how much is your spending in a day or in a month from your salary. Now, there would be many basic expense that you have to do anyhow, but what is the extra expense that you are doing? You need to just write it down on another page that this is the extra expense I do, which if I would make some changes, some effort in my own self, some discipline in my life, I'll be able to save. The first, this kind of expense is on food expense. Now, if you are eating outside, you are not able to wake up early in morning, so you are even not able to prepare a breakfast for yourself, not lunch, and neither evening snacks. So you are spending almost 30 rupees for your breakfast, 40 rupees for your lunch, and 30 for your evening snacks, tea and coffee. This is the basic expense that I have calculated. So almost 100 rupees per month. So 70 to 100 rupees a day. So 70 to 100 is the average expense that you do for a day if you are not able to prepare food by your own at home. Now, if you will just do the calculation for if you are eating breakfast at home, preparing your tiffin for lunch, and even keeping something for evening snacks which you have prepared at home, it will cost you, and if you are eating at home in night as well, it will cost you almost 1500 rupees. 12 to 1500 is the cost that you have to incur in this process, and this is not any calculation from Google. This is something which I had done for my own self, and then I'm sharing with you all. So 1500 rupees is the expense that you have to do if you are cooking food at home for yourself, and 4000 almost is the expense that you have to incur if you are eating outside, 3 meal outside and 1 meal at home. Then the cost it will cost you around 4000 rupees. So from here you will be able to save 2000 to 2500 just by making a small effort, just waking up early, 1 hour early, not more than that, just keeping yourself more focused towards your future, just saving few amount, and you'll be able to just be on a very right path, very disciplined path, which will help your future. So what you have done, you have saved 2000 rupees from here. Now, how to keep that 2000 rupees, where to keep that money to have a better future, secured future? First, there are two options that you can do. If you have saved a handsome amount prior to watching this video, you can keep the money in SIP, that 2000 rupees. Or if you have not saved anything, or if you have saved a very few amount prior to watching this video, you need to keep the money in recurring deposit only. Now, if you have few amounts saved, and which is not too much and neither too less, then what you can do, the best way for you is you can keep 1000 rupees in SIP and 1000 rupees in recurring deposit, and this is the best way to keep the balance between liquid money and saving for your future. So this was the first change that you have done in yourself towards your future goal, keeping your future more secured. Just waking up 1 hour early in morning and keeping things which not only help your health but your pocket too. So till then, keep watching this space for next similar update, and like, subscribe and share with your friends.